What's up? Y'all ready? Let's do our morning dance. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So today we're going to talk about food. I get a lot of calls from people who are like, can't I just take a pill for that? And I'm like, no, you can't. You know, our body is much like a machine, right? So, or your car, for instance, like your car, good example, it needs certain things to function properly. It needs oil, it needs gas, it needs windshield wiper fluid. You got to take it in for maintenance. You got to service the tires. Like there's different things that you have to do for your car in order for it to run correctly. And if it doesn't run, and if you don't service it, it's not going to run the right way. And it's the same thing with your body, right? I had a friend who just didn't put oil in her car. Actually, I knew two of my friends that forgot to put oil in their car, and because of that, they wound up burning out their engine. So when you think about that, it's like the things we do, exercise, nutrition, they all are servicing our body, right? So there are things that you have to do in order for your body to function right. So going back to like that nutrition is one of those things, right? We don't, when you think about food, it's almost magical how Mother Nature provides everything that we need. Like really, we don't have to go anywhere else. Like man doesn't even have to make anything else in order for our bodies to function properly, because Mother Nature already did it. So the soil has certain minerals and nutrients in it that the plants soak up. And so then when we eat, our bodies then take that food that we eat, breaks it down. The nutrients in the plants actually go towards helping chemical reactions and helping different processes in our body function the way they're supposed to function. So this is literally your body chemistry, the chemical reactions that happen in your body. If you're eating foods that have magnesium in it, well, magnesium is like the cofactor in over 300 chemical reactions that happen in our body. And studies prove that most Americans don't get the amount of nutrients that they need, leaving them tired, cranky, and just plain burnt out. That's why you can't just take a pill for it. You can't go with like this magical solution, because really, if you don't eat the way you're supposed to eat, then your body is going to lack the nutrients that it needs to function properly, to help you lose weight, to help you feel energetic, to help you, feel your best. Think about it. You're feeling sad and depressed just because the nutrition isn't, on point, and you're not getting the vitamins, or, that happens. And so, it's really important to make sure that you're getting the nutrients that your body needs just so it can function properly. And since we're talking about all this, exercise is also essential. Like you cannot replace exercise with a pill. Like it just does not work that way. To find out why, stay tuned for part 2.